Hi guys, it's Sam Brown here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the app Honeygain and seeing if it's a scam or legit. Make sure to subscribe and comment for other videos you want me to do and drop a like while you're down there. Okay, we need to go to my laptop for this, so I'll meet you over there. See ya. Okay guys, what you first want to do is go over to the website honeygain.com. I've got it here, so press enter. Okay, you'll be met with this page, and if you want, you can estimate your earnings. So let's have a look how much you could earn. So say you do 1 gigabyte a day, which is hardly anything, probably like, I don't know, like 10 minutes on your laptop. That's $3 a month for doing nothing. If you go to 50 gigabytes a day, that's $150 a month. Okay, so this website, basically what it tells you to do, or what it does, is you don't even have to do anything. It just takes all your unused data, and you download the thing, and it takes all your unused data, and it just uses it, like AI uses it, and it looks at it, sees your consumer, takes consumer research from it. That's all it does. You don't have to do anything. You just sit down, go on your laptop, and you're making money. You don't have to do anything. Look, you first of all have got to install Honeygain, connect the devices, and then get paid. You can go sign up in my link in the description. So say you have 5 gigabytes a day, which is quite moderate. That's $15 a month for doing nothing. That could pay for some coffees, it could pay for Netflix. You could do hardly anything and just get free Netflix, basically. So it's so good. It's so good. And it's also a good cause. It's easy to use, and you get paid. So yeah, okay. So first of all, you've got to go and press sign up or log in. And it takes me to this page. It will log me in. So even though I've only done 21 cents, I haven't been using my computer. And you just download if you have Windows, Mac, or Android. If you have Apple, it's not on there currently, but you can change it when it comes out. I'm sure it'll come out soon. And everyone's got a laptop, so you can either do it on your Mac laptop, your Windows, and you can add as many devices as you want. And yeah, you just earn money easily, and it's such a small payout, and you can be paid through PayPal, through bank. It's so easy, this app. So yeah, I'd say this is a really good app. I'll leave a link in the description, and go click it, go check it out, and see what you think about it. It's free money, basically. You don't have to do anything, no investment, and even I'd say as a teenager, this is the best website to make some extra pocket money whilst doing nothing. I'd say it's the easiest source of passive income, best source of passive income, and I'll just say overall it's a really good website. Okay, I'm gonna take you off the website now, and I'll see you in a sec. Okay guys, that's my review on Honeygain. Overall, I think it's really good. They use your data, AI collects it. All they do is look at your consumer research so they can do better marketing, and you make money from it. It's a passive income. You haven't got to do any work, and when I say this, absolutely no work. It's free, easy to use, and also they help businesses, maybe like yourself. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click the link in the description. This isn't a sponsored video. I just wanted to give my review and my thoughts on it. I think it's a really good website. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks again. Bye.